Hi, I'm Aradhana Aggarwal. I'm a CPA, and my goal is simple to help everyday people understand taxes without fear, confusion, or jargon. Today, I will talk about capital loss harvesting. Let me say something that may sound negative, but is actually very empowering. Losing money on investments doesn't mean that you failed. And if you're thinking, does that mean the tax code finally has something nice to say to you? Yes. Yes, it does. Today we are talking about how the IRS lets you recycle losses into tax relief. Because people feel embarrassed about investment losses. But the tax system doesn't judge you emotionally. It just asks you one very simple question. Did you document this correctly? This strategy that I'm going to talk about is called capital loss harvesting, and it's all about intention. You're not pretending that the loss didn't happen. You're making sure it counts. Capital loss harvesting means selling investments that are at a loss so you can use those losses on your tax return. But here's the part that you will like. Those losses can offset capital gains dollar for dollar. So, yes, profit and losses get matched. Your tax return basically says you two talk it out. It's a conflict resolution, but make it Schedule D. Let's say you made $12,000 selling one investment. Great. But you also sold another investment for a $12,000 loss. Emotionally balanced, financially, tax wise, zero capital gain. Because taxes only care about the net result. Now, what if your losses are bigger than your gains? The IRS lets you deduct up to $3,000 against regular income every year. Anything extra? Yes, it carries forward. So, no, losses don't expire, they are patient, unlike most of us. Now, I know what you're thinking. So, Radna, what if I sell it and immediately buy it back? Can I do that? No, that is a wash sale. The IRS says you don't get credit for leaving the room if you walked right back in. You actually have to wait 30 days because the tax code loves commitment. So, when should people be thinking about this? Before year end. Capital loss harvesting is a reminder that taxes aren't just paperwork, they are strategy. So losses aren't just something you move on from. They are something you use wisely. If you had a rough investment year, this is how you make it matter. Follow me for tax education that respects your intelligence and your energy and still makes taxes less painful. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tax tips.